Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something really special. Stuffed peppers with shrimp paste. It's tender, juicy shrimp inside the blistered green peppers. Trust me, it's so good. These are long green peppers. Push the stem of the green pepper inward with your thumb, working your way around the edge. Then pull it out and the stem along with the corn will come out easily. After that, trim a small piece off the bottom end of the pepper. Now grab your shrimp paste and stuff it right in. You will feel it stop once it's fully filled. Don't force it beyond that. Okay, now I'm cutting each stuffed pepper into chunks. This makes them easier to cook evenly and the flavor really gets in there. Now let's make a quick sauce. Add 1½ tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 10 grams of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of chicken powder, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, a tablespoon of aged vinegar, and about 150 milliliters of water. Give that a quick stir. We will use this later to simmer the peppers. And of course, a little minced garlic. Always make things better. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok. Place the peppers in. Let them cook until the shrimp turns firm and the peppers blister a bit. Now the garlic goes in. Give it a quick stir. As soon as you smell that garlicky aroma, pour in the sauce. Cover the lid and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Right before we take them out, let's thicken the sauce with a small splash of cornstarch slurry. See how the sauce starts clinging to the peppers? That's exactly what we want. Look at that shine on the peppers. Beautiful. Wow, I'm a total shrimp lover, and this bite is basically irresistible to me. Oh wow, this bite is so juicy and full of shrimp flavor. Honestly, I can't think of a single reason why anyone would say no to this. You've got to try it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.